locally owned and run bakery, the Bakery Palace is committed to offering quality baked goods and excellent customer service. Since its establishment in 2022, Puncak Alam residents have to come to enjoy our bakery as favorite place to get delicious desserts. Our goal at the Bakery Palace is to make our client happy by providing them with delicious cakes, bread, and pastry that are lovingly made with only the best ingredients. Our goal is to create a welcoming environment where each visit is treated as a unique occasion. Our bakery is dedicated to providing the best possible goods. Our talented bakers follow strict quality control procedures to guarantee that every product satisfies our high requirements for taste, freshness, and appearance. The Bakery Palace wants to become more prominent in Puncak Alam in the future. We want to launch fresh and inventive baked items, work with nearby companies, and keep establishing enduring bonds with our esteemed clients. A few issues have been arising at the Bakery Palace when it comes to collecting agent and customer data. The first is development expenses. For most of the business, a huge database often needs a lot of investment. Software integration comes in a second. It indicates that the company's data is not in the proper location for us. Legacy data comes next. Certain databases take a long time to import data types and might even destroy our current data. Importing data in the wrong format might take a long time. Furthermore, distribution. When data is stored and accessed from a distributed database via computer network, a number of problems can occur, including concurrency, deadlock, and fragmented data allocation. In addition, unique identifications. Often duplicated firm data and several duplication errors that might save up a lot of space in our client database. Finally, expandability. The majority of the time, network and server capacity limitations are to blame. The backend of the business cannot expand at the same rate as the consumers of the application.
According to the problem that Bakery Palace has been through, the organization can overcome the issue by using Microsoft Access to record all the data needed. Access allows them to create customized database that meets their specific needs. This ensures that the database is tailored to the organization's unique requirements, which improve efficiency and accuracy. Firstly, Bakery Palace may use Microsoft Access to record the database of the organization. To record it, Bakery Palace can use table features in Microsoft Access. The table features in Microsoft Access allows the user to organize and record the data on a particular subject. The tables have three columns, such as file names, data types, and descriptions. The data can also be seen in the datasheet view, and to record the data, it can be done in design view. In table 1, we do a database on the customers. There are 6 file names inserted, and the data type is short text. For data type, it can be in text, numbers, dates, hyperlinks, yes or no, and others. For the description columns, it is optional for the user to fill out. Next is the table number 2. Here we key in the agent data. For the data type, all of it is in short text, except for the price with the data type of currency. Next is the query. In Microsoft Access, a query is a way to combine information from tables. In a query, we specify and put together the information from the tables into the query. Bakery Place can solve the problem of duplication of data with the query features in Microsoft Access. This is because from the query, we also could identify the wrong key in data in tables and avoid duplication of the information. To do a query, we must firstly choose the table that we want to specify. It can be 2 or 1 table, depending on how many tables that has been done before. From the query, there is also relationship form. We also put criteria on some queries to specify the information. The queries that we have created are customer query, agent customer query, agent price query, agent gender query, and lastly calculated query.
For the next recommendation is a form. In Microsoft Access, a form is a graphical user interface that allows users to view, add, edit, or delete data in the table easily. It also provides a more user-friendly to interact with the data compared to the traditional datasheet view. In addition, comment button can be added to a form to automate performed action. So as we can see, according to the picture, it is a form view of agent and customer form. Firstly, from the agent form, we can search by their agent ID, price, area, gender, and phone number. Meanwhile, for customer form, we can search by their customer ID, name, address, email, and others. We also can use and click the comment button that located at the bottom of the form. So it is easy for the organization to search the data by using the next or previous button, add new data or delete data information by using add record or delete record button. A multi-page form in Microsoft Access is a type of form that allows users to navigate through multi-pages or tabs to view and edit data. Each pages or tab can contain a different set of control to display and manipulate specific data. Multi-pages forms are useful when dealing with complex data or when there is a need to organize data into a logical section. Based on the picture, it shows a multi-page agent form that contains of two pages, which is the data sheet and chart. The data sheet page is the agent detail information, while the second page is the chart of the price for each agent. So it is easy for the specifiers to keep track of their agent with the price of the product.
Reports give you the ability to present components of your database in an easy-to-read, printable format. Access lets you create reports from both tables and queries. Open the table or query you want to use in your report. Select the Create tab on the ribbon. Locate the reports group, then click the Report command. Access will create a new report based on your project. It is likely that some of your data will be located on other side of the page break. To fix this, resize your fields. Simply select a field, then click and drag its edge until the field is desired size. Repeat with additional fields until all your fields fit.
Table reports in Microsoft Access. Firstly, we need to click at the report design before starting to make the report. In order to make a multiple reports, we basically need to take the information that we need to be combined at the multi-table reports, such as the picture above. First, we put in the information to get from the customer table, also from the agent table, in order to create a multi-table that shows the information about their customer order quantity, also the agents that in charge for that customer. Relationship between tables in Microsoft Access. Firstly, we need to click the table that we want to make the relationship. As the picture above, to establish the relationship between tables, you firstly need to open several tables such as customer table and agent table. In conclusion, we did acknowledge that the bakery pillars will get the benefits from the using of Microsoft Access. Further organize the information about their customers and agents. Additionally, Microsoft Access play an important role in the bakery pillars because it helps them save time for keeping the database about their agents, also their customer.